Hi, this is Ida Meyer from the University of Pretoria Mamelodi campus, and I am excited to teach you about how to study according to your personality. So why personality? Well, there's 16 different kinds of personalities, so it's impossible for everybody to like the same thing or for everybody to do the same thing. Even you and your brother do things differently, right? So, or if you have a cousin, if you don't have a brother, but you do things differently. So let me give you a few examples. Let's start with Jane. Jane is an extrovert. Jane likes to study where people see her work. Jane's room is also a bit of a mess, and she likes it that way. She sees it as structured chaos. Her mother doesn't like it that way. She tells her to study at the table. But Jane, you will rather find studying better when she sits on her bed. Now let's look at Peter. Peter is Jane's brother. Peter is an introvert. Peter wants to be quiet where he is studying. Quiet from people. He can handle the dog barking and the lawnmower and all those kind of things, but he does not want to hear people talking to him or around him. So it's not unusual for Peter to sleep in the afternoon when he gets home from class, and then later at night, when everybody has gone to bed, Peter gets up and he studies. And he studies better that way because nobody is interrupting him when he's studying. Now another example is Tavo and Tabo. Now, Tabo is someone who likes theory. He likes to make sure that he understands the work. When he looks at maths, he likes the theorems and the rules and the laws. Those are the ones that make sense to him. And he's very good at explaining to his twin brother, Tabo. They're in the same class, obviously, eh? They're twins. Okay, so Tabo now on the other side. Tabo can write down a formula off the board and he can understand what's happening. But let him explain it to Tabo and he struggles. He says that it's meant to be that way because that's the way it makes sense to him. So did you recognize yourself in one of the 2 or 3 or 4 that I mentioned before? Then you'll understand why we study according to personality. So what we're going to do in the videos from here is I'm going to help you identify who you are. And as you identify who you are, it's easier for you to know how you should study according to your personality. I'm excited about this. See you in the next video.